Hi Pickaxe community, join me in this video as I walk you through connecting your pickaxe to an n8n MCP server. To get started, head over to n8n.io and log into your account. Once you're logged in, either create a new workflow or open an existing one. Click Add First Step, then search for the MCP Server Trigger node and select it. When the configuration panel opens, look for the MCP URL setting. Switch it to Production URL, then copy it. This is the link Pickaxe will use to connect to your workflow. After that, you can continue building out your workflow however you'd like. In my example, I'm adding 3 nodes: create an event in Google Calendar, send a message in Gmail, and get many events in Google Calendar. After configuring your nodes, make sure to switch the workflow to active. Otherwise, your pickaxe won't be able to connect. Next, open your pickaxe and navigate to the Actions tab. In the Actions library, search for n8n, then click Add n8n MCP. In the pop-up, give your MCP server a name, paste in the production URL you copied earlier, and click Add. Your pickaxe is now connected to n8n. All that's left is to instruct your pickaxe on how to use the workflow. For this example, I created a pickaxe for an imaginary restaurant. Its goal is to help customers make reservations, check availability, and send feedback to the restaurant owner. I instructed the pickaxe to run the Get Many Events in Google Calendar node whenever a customer asks which time slots are already booked. When a customer wants to make a reservation, the pickaxe runs the Create an Event in Google Calendar node. And if a customer leaves feedback, the pickaxe automatically runs the Send a Message in Gmail node to email that feedback to the owner. Now that everything is connected, let's test it. First, let's ask the pickaxe to list all current reservations and check whether the 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. time slot is available. As you can see, it pulls the existing reservations from my calendar. Next, let's ask it to create the reservation. Perfect, the event has been created successfully. Finally, let's leave some feedback. And just like that, the feedback is sent and received by the owner. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we're excited to see what you build.